This file comes from the S-Memo app on older Samsung phones. It is not a standard text file you can just open on a PC. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here is the specific converter tool you need. Heads up on the final step. We will reveal why investing in one exceptional SMM file inspection utility is the best long-term solution for managing countless file formats. Technically speaking, the SMM format falls under the mobile device file specification. The Samsung Memo File wrapper contains all associated data. The SMM file is a proprietary Samsung Kies file used for managing mobile device data. It typically contains structured data for memos or S-Planner appointments. It functions as a single organized container for a specific type of mobile data. Developed by Samsung, the format is closed source and optimized for secure data transfer between the mobile device and the Kies application. The file is only accessible using the Samsung Kies restoration protocol, as its internal structure is specific to the Samsung operating system's database. The proper file association links SMM directly to the Samsung Kies solution by Samsung Electronics. Windows provides limited editing capability, so full content inspection relies on dedicated tools. Windows cannot interpret app or system data, so proper viewing requires compatible mobile utilities. To solve this stubborn file problem, right-click the SMM file and choose Open With. If Samsung Kies is installed, test that. If not, choose another application. The solution lies in finding the right software. If your SMM file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. There's no need for deep technical analysis yet. If the SMM file is stuck, the issue is almost always found in one of three places. Here's a simple guide on what to check. First, identify the creator. Determine if the file is a MindJet MindManager map or a Sony memory stick image. Next, use the original app. If a Mind map, open with MindJet MindManager. If a Sony image, open with Sony Picture Package. Finally, convert to export. If a Mind map, ask the sender to export it as an HTML or PDF file. If a Sony image, transfer the content to a standard location before opening the image. If no standard application could engage your SMM file, we must escalate to a specialized utility. Activating the universal fix is the best option to try for this file type. When your SMM file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. If you found this useful, please share it on social media and ensure you subscribe for more. Your time watching is highly valued.